Hello, friends. We are proud to announce the formation of our inner circle mentoring group. Some of you have already joined it, and many of you have been inquiring about what is this ICMG. And let me explain what we are trying to do with this. Now, we all know during trading, especially if you see in last few months, it has been very volatile scenario. So traders definitely need hand holding on variety of trades and variety of issues, whether whatever the trader is thinking, even if he's deploying a very good strategy, but whether some steps are in order or not, always you need some validation from somebody who has experience about these things. So what all of us know, that mostly trading is a game of mindset and psychological strength. So it's not only about strategy may be contributing 20%, 25%, but ultimately what we have seen, with the same strategy one trader is able to make profit, but the other trader is not able to make profit. So it's more of a question of mindset and psychology. Now developing this mindset definitely needs consistent time and effort. Rather, I'll say it needs effort for a consistent period of time. So what we are doing is we are developing this inner circle mentoring group for developing such strength over a period of 1 year. All our traders who will be involved in this group will be getting consistent mentoring for a period of 1 year. That is point number one. Point number two, we always find that okay, capital allocation to various strategies, whether I should deploy 25% in strategy A, 25% in strategy B, 30% in strategy C, or whether I should deploy 70% of my money in particular strategy. So even within options, I'm talking only about options, I'm not talking about any kind of a cash trading. Within options also there are so many permutation and combination, that okay, what kind of allocation should be done in different kind of strategies, whether they should be short term strategies, what kind of allocation is there, if it is a long term strategy like covered call, what kind of allocation I should be doing. So that is also a question, and this allocation cannot be same for all the traders. It all depends upon what is your temperament, what is your experience, what kind of time do you have for markets. Depending upon all those things, a allocation for person A can be different, and capital allocation to different strategies for person B has to be different. So we try to understand the whole profile of the trader, and then we can decide that okay, this can be a possible capital allocation for you. Now what will happen in this, we will be sharing our 2 days workshop material. A recorded video will be shared with the group members, plus we will be giving you a passive income strategy plus a toss the strategy. So all these three things will be shared with the members. Then we will be conducting weekly Zoom sessions. Most probably every Wednesday we will be conducting a Zoom session wherein you will be talking about your thought process on a particular trade taken by you. Suppose I give you an example that okay, I have taken this trade because I was thinking markets are going to go down. So maybe a particular trader has created a trade. And then you need to find out that okay, in case market goes down, the trade should be okay. In case market doesn't go down, what will happen to the trade, and what are the repercussions for market going up. So you need to be thinking in all the lines that okay, if my analysis, directional analysis is right, this trade will be okay. If my directional analysis is wrong, then what are the remedial actions which can be taken? So all these discussions will give us a confidence, will give all of us a mindset that okay, these are the precautions I need to take. What is the risk? What is it happening that okay, for making a profit of 4,000 rupees, I am risking 40,000 rupees, right? So every time we take up a trade, we need to think that okay, if whatever I'm thinking doesn't happen, opposite of that happens, then what will I be doing? So all these discussions will be happening every week with individual traders trade. Mind it, we are not going to suggest even a single trade in this. We are not going to say that okay, you do this trade, you do no, we are going to facilitate your thought process and then help you decide that okay, this can be a slightly better option. So these discussions, 45 sessions of Zoom over a period of 1 year, will definitely help you to develop those strengths. Obviously in the process you will be taking up some trades which will be good, you will be taking up some trades which may not be good, but yes, a thought process, a mindset, a right temperament will definitely be developed, and at least you will be able to find out 2 3 months down the line, okay, these are the kind of trades which work in your favor, and these are the kind of trades which you should not do. Although while initiating, you may find that okay, some of the trades look very attractive, but ultimately those trades do not result into good profits. So we need to avoid those trades in your portfolio. So many times it will happen that you are not available that time. So recording of all these Zoom sessions will also be shared uh, with the participants. Again, any new trading ideas, strategies, any new adjustment patterns will be first shared and discussed within this group. And we want to develop this group as a mentor for next year. Like this mentoring group will be from April 22 to March 23. From April 23 to March 24, we will be enrolling more people, and people who are part of this ICMG Group 1, they will become mentors for others from next year, depending upon your experience, depending upon your interest in this mentoring of uh, traders. Plus, we do conduct one webinar almost every month. So, in addition to all the workshop material, passive income strategy, torso strategy, Zoom sessions, we will also give you 5 coupons wherein you can join 5 webinars out of maybe upcoming 12 webinars, which will be totally free of cost for ICMG participants. Then portfolio allocation for various strategies based on your profile. So it has to be uh, very individualistic, right? It cannot be a group activity where hundreds of people are there and we are just giving up, we are having a mass discussion. That is not possible. So it will be very personalized kind of a thing, that okay, for one person things will be different, for other person things will be totally different. So portfolio allocation, how that will be done, will be based on the profile of the participant. So this mentoring group definitely gives you huge psychological benefit, no doubt about that. Once you know that okay, there are group of people with whom you can always discuss your problems freely without any inhibitions, that gives you a lot of mental strength. And even if some of your trades are going wrong, how to get out of those trades, what in case something really big bad happens in the market overnight. So all those things will help uh, traders, because a lot of discussions will be taking place. Course material, whatever we are shared, that will not have any limited time frame, that okay, after 1 year you do not want to continue with this group, then also the course material will be with you forever. And mentoring sessions for 1 year. In 1 year we have 52 weeks, we have planned minimum 45 sessions. We may go for more than those sessions also if required. But yes, it will be suitable for traders who are having more than 20 lakh capital. Minded, we are not going to give even a single trade. Don't expect that okay, any trades will be recommended by us. No recommendations, no trades will be given by us. But still, because this mentoring group participation also will be having some joining fees, so it will be suitable for traders who are having 15 to 20 lakhs, so that you are able to make good use of whatever strategies, whatever discussions are happening. Obviously those discussions should result into decent profits also, right? So good for traders having more than 15 to 20 lakh rupees of capital. So what is the joining fees for this? Joining fee for this, um, you need to contact us. You can WhatsApp us, or you can call us on this number shared on the screen, 958-285-3463, and we can have a small 15 minutes discussion in which we will also understand a little bit about it, about you, and then accordingly we will be recommending you whether you should go ahead with this ICMG group or not. We are going to start this from April first week, and this will be there till March end. So you do not have time and luxury to make all the mistakes. You cannot keep on reinventing the wheel. Ultimately, by doing all these trades, you will definitely get that experience. But obviously, it takes a lot of a time, a lot of effort, and money to learn all the tricks of the game. So it's always better to learn from others' experiences. So that is why this group will be formed. In this group, it's not only that okay, we are only telling you anything. Other experienced traders will be there who will be helping each other. But yes, weekly sessions every week based on your trades, and we will try to keep the size of the group as small, so that 100% personalized discussions can take place. That is the whole aim, to develop that kind of a mindset, that kind of a psychological strength, so that trader is comfortable in any kind of situation, right? So if you are interested in participating in this inner circle mentoring group, please contact us at the number 958-285-3463. You can WhatsApp us, you can call us. So nice of you. Thank you.